time to dominate. With its built-in high prioritization feature, charge into battle with low latency.
Yes!
Get into the race with low jitter.
Yes!
Apply for a game changer plan now and experience great gaming with FiberX.
Good afternoon, Bicolandia, and we welcome you all to our Game 2 of our finals. It's between the UNC Greyhounds versus the NCF Tigers. I'm Rick Puerta, and together with me is Christine Reyes para matunghayan ang bakbakang UNC Greyhounds. And of course, kasama natin ang ating dalawang courtside reporter coming from the NCF Tigers and the UNC Greyhounds, Kyla Casulla and Rain Reyes, na maghahatid sa inyo ng mga siksik na impormasyon sa dalawang koponan.
Ayan nga, Rick, live na live din tayong napapanood sa ating Oragon Sports TV at Bucal Facebook page. And of course, dito sa loob ng NCF Covered Court, ito pag-usapan natin itong dalawang kupunan nito kahapon. Napakagandang performance po ang ipinakita ng dalawang kupunan nito, kung saan NCF Tigers snatched the first game sa ating finals dito sa women's volleyball.
Yan, Tin, talagang nakita natin ang excitement sa mga mukha ng mga players kahapon at sa mga aggressiveness na nakita natin sa loob ng court, na kung saan nagpakita sila ng tibay ng loob, tibay ng physical and mental agility na talaga namang ikinapanalo ng ating defending champion na NCF Tigers. And of course, UNC Greyhounds talagang magbabounce back ito ngayong hapon na ito because hindi nila bibigyan ng madaling laro ang ating defending champion. So, tutok lamang kayo sa Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon, and also live here sa ating venue, the NCF Covered Court.
Ayan nga, Rick, kahapon nga, isang set nga nakuha ng UNC Greyhounds. Kaya ngayong hapon na to, titingnan natin, will the UNC Greyhounds bounce back at kukunin ng second game na ito at magpapatuloy tayo sa Game 3. Yan ang ating pakaabangan as we are going to start in a very few minutes ng bakbakang UNC at NCF.
Yan, Tin, sa ating mga audience na nakatutok live sa live ng Oragon Sports TV, magsha-shoutout po kami maya-maya. Kaya comment down below and mag-subscribe and follow sa ating mga Facebook pages. And also sa mga live audiences dito sa loob ng NCF Covered Court. Kahapon, Tin, grabe. Talagang nakita natin kung gaano ka-supportive ang mga tao dito sa loob ng ating venue. Kitang-kita na nag-enjoy sila na pinanood yung bakbakan ng dalawang kupunan na ito. And I'm sure ngayong hapon na ito, marami ulit ang manunod sa atin dito live na live at makikita kung paano kukunin ng NCF Tigers ang kanilang panalo ngayon, or will the UNC Lady Greyhounds snatch this game number 2 and extend it on the game number 3.
Yes, kaya naman kaabang-abang talaga itong dalawang kupunan nito. Of course, these two teams talagang nagpapakitang gilas. All the players really showcase their skills in volleyball. And of course, kudos din sa lahat ng mga taga-suporta ng UNC at NCF na talaga namang grabe yung pagbigay nila sa suporta. At para naman makinig tayo ng update all the way from the side of the UNC Greyhounds. And of course, may kasama ngayon ang ating courtside reporting na si Rain. Hi Rain, any updates?
Team and Rick, good afternoon, and of course to all our live Facebook viewers here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga kampiyon, and on One Media TV 48 Naga. Another nerve-wracking game as we move on to the Game 2 finals of this Bucal Season 5 Volleyball Women's Division. A battle between the Lady Tigers and the Lady Greyhounds with a standing of 1-0 in favor of the Tigers. With that, let us take this chance to interview the team captain of the Lady Greyhounds, jersey number 6, Miss Kay Felices. So, good afternoon. As the team captain of the Lady Greyhounds, ibahagi mo naman sa amin kung gaano ka ba ka-proud sa team mo na nakaabot kayo sa finals ng Season 5.
Of course po, I'm very grateful to our team because last season po, we weren't able to qualify for championship. But now, thankfully, we're here to battle for the championship and hopefully we'll be able to get back the crown.
And ano ba ang dapat abangan ng mga supporters nyo sa laro nyo ngayong araw?
Yesterday po, as mentioned by our coach, na kayang-kaya naman po namin, kinulang lang kami ng commitment. So for today's game, expect for a hungrier and more aggressive Lady Greyhounds inside the court po.
So I am giving you the floor na mag-shoutout o mag-imbita ng mga manonood sa laro nyo ngayong araw.
To all the UNCs and all the Greyhounds, I kindly invite all of you po to please come and watch our Game 2 for the championship match and be with us as we fight to get the crown back in the UNC po. Thank you.
So thank you, Miss Kay, and I wish you and the Lady Greyhounds the best of luck. Di pa tapos ang laban, we seek to extend the championship game as we strive for redemption after a 4-set loss against the NCF Lady Tigers in Game 1 finals. Words from their Facebook page as they post earlier. This is Rain Reyes, the courtside reporter of the University of Nueva Caceres. Lady Greyhounds, back to the panel.
Ayan, thank you so much, Rain, for that information. So, napakinggan nga natin dito na magiging aggressive ngayon ang UNC Lady Greyhounds and pinangungunan nito ng kanilang kapitanang si Kay Felices. Let's see kung anong gagawin nilang bagong game plan dito, sa larong ito. Kasi nakita natin kahapon na nakakuha dito ng magandang set ang UNC Greyhounds kontra NCF Tigers. So I'm very excited, I'm very sure na hindi papayag ang UNC Greyhounds na hindi makakuha ng set at makuha ang panalong to. So aabangan natin yan dito sa Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. We would like to thank our sponsors. We have the Havayanas, Elite Sportswear, Bigs, and Aricus. Maraming salamat po sa suporta.
Ayan nga, Rick, ngayon napupuno na ang ating NCF Covered Court. So, in just a few minutes, we're going to start the final of the NCF Tigers and the UNC Greyhounds. Ngayon, on the side of the NCF Tigers, napakaganda ng performance na pinakita nila kahapon. At ano kayang gagawin nila ngayon to be consistent on their game para makahingi tayo ng update. Although, kasama natin ang ating courtside reporting na si Kyla. Hi, Kyla! Update natin dyan.
Thank you, Rick and Teen. Good afternoon, Bacolandia, and to all our volleyball fans who are watching us live via One Media, TV 48 Naga, and Oragon Sports TV. We are now on the Game 2 of the final round. It is NCF Lady Tigers versus the UNC Greyhounds. I am Kyla Casulia, all the way from the home of the champion, the NCF Tigers. And now, para makausap natin ang team captain and the center of the NCF Lady Tigers, let us all welcome Hisky Flores. Hello, Hisky. Grabe yung pinakita nyo yesterday. Matanong ko lang, since kahapon na medyo humabol yung Lady Greyhounds, ano ba yung naging adjustments mo at ng team mo para maibawi ito at ano yung magiging adjustments nyo for this game?
Yung adjustment po ito kahapon is yung last error lang po and depensa po and first ball lang po yung sinabi sa amin ni coach para po maka-abanta kami, and then yung communication po inside the court dapat hindi
Since team captain ka, importanteng may reminders ka sa iyong team bago kayo pumunta dito at sumalang sa Game 2 ng finals. Ano ba yung reminders mo na alam mong makakatulong sa kanila for this game?
Always ko pong nire-remind sa kanila na huwag kalimutan before game, and then kung ano po yung nasabi ko sa kanila every time na
naglaro kami. Yun po yung sabi ko nila.
At lastly, ano ba ang i-expect namin for the game to sa Lady Tigers?
Di na po kayo isang set sa UNC. Tatalo namin sila. Yun po.
And of course, dahil andito ka na ngayon, invite mo na ang ating mga viewers na suportahan ang NCF Lady Tigers for the game.
Hi po, inaanyayahan ko po supportan po kami and
Thank you so much, Hiski, and good luck. There you have it. That is Hiski Flores of the NCF Lady Tigers, the team captain. Back to you, Rick and Tin.
And thank you so much, Kyla, for that update. So yun nga, according to their team captain, hindi na nila ipapa-extend ang larong ito at gagawin nila ang ginawa nila on their training. And of course, NCF Tigers, they are rooting for their fans ngayong araw na ito para supportan sila at para maboost ang confidence nila para madepensahan ang kanilang kampyonato sa ligang ito.
Kaya naman, Rick, talagang exciting game this afternoon. Parehong kupunan, gustong makuha ang panalo na to. The NCF Tigers has the advantage here dahil isang game na nga na ipanalo nila. While on the other side, the UNC Greyhounds still have a chance here to snatch a game at umabot pa sa ating game number 3. Pero bago tayo magsimula, syempre pasalamatan lang din natin ang ating mga sponsors. We have the Mangkok's Kinalas, located at the Yangdang Naga City, owned and managed by Mr. Orvin Ches and Ma'am Emeline Salgado. Mangkok's Kinalas, the best kinalas in Naga City. Flowers and Beyond, located at Robinson's Place, Naga, Vista Mall, Naga, and Magsaysay Avenue, Naga City. Owned and managed by Miss Irish Aguinante, 10% discount on any bouquet as graduation promo. Visit Flowers and Beyond Naga FB page for more details. We also have the Woolprint Graphics Center Incorporated, located at Concepcion Grande, Naga City, owned by Mr. William Concepcion, quality printing excellence service, your printing partner since 1985.
Ayan, pasalamatan din natin ang Naga College Foundation, the home of the champion. Will Print, quality printing excellence service, your printing partner since 1985. Congressman Gabi Bordado, representative, 3rd District of Camarines Sur, Ateneo de Naga University, One Big Fight. Liman Midshop, top quality guaranteed. Simply the best in Bicolandia, located at Magsaysay Avenue, Naga City, and Universidad de Santa Isabel, where love is service.
Of course, in just a few minutes, we're going to start the Game 2 of the finals of the women's volleyball between the NCF Tigers and the UNC Greyhounds. Tutok lamang po kayo only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampyon. Magbabalik po kami.
Flight attendants, prepare for takeoff, please.
Slip life vest over your head. Take the tape around your waist.
time to dominate. With its built-in high prioritization feature,
Yes.
charge into battle with low latency.
Yes.
Get into the race with low jitter.
Yes.
Apply for a game changer plan now and experience great gaming with FiberX.
Get ready to witness the thrill of the competition and the passion of the game. I am Kimberly Elenis, and this is Sportify.
Flight attendants, prepare for takeoff, please.
Slip life vest over your head. Take the tape around your waist.
time to dominate. With its built-in high prioritization feature,
Yes.
charge into battle with low latency.
Yes.
Get into the race with low jitter.
Yes.
Apply for a game changer plan now and experience great gaming with FiberX.
Get ready to witness the thrill of the competition and the passion of the game. I am Kimberly Elenis, and this is Sportify.
Flight attendants, prepare for takeoff, please.
Slip life vest over your head. Take the tape around your waist.
It's time to dominate! With its built-in high prioritization feature,
Yes!
charge into battle with low latency.
Yes!
And get into the race with low jitter.
Yes!
Apply for a game-changer plan now and experience great gaming with FiberX. It's time to dominate! With its built-in high prioritization feature,
Yes!
charge into battle with low latency.
Yes!
And get into the race with low jitter.
Yes!
Apply for a game-changer plan now and experience great gaming with FiberX.
Hello. And now we're back here at NCF Covered Court, of course, sa ating Facebook Live sa Oragon Sports TV at Bucal Facebook page for the matchup para sa aming Game 2 Finals of the Women's Volleyball. It's the University of Nueva, Caceres and the Naga College Foundation. Ngayon, just a few minutes, we're going to start this matchup. And you know what, Rick? What I feel right now, super excited ako dahil nga talagang hindi naman talaga nagpapatalo itong dalawang kupunan ito. Of course, nagpapakitang gilas at nagbibigay ng magandang laban sa isa't isa.
Ayan, Tin, medyo napupuno na nga ang ating venue para sa larong ito at para sa hapon na ito. I'm very excited sa dalawang kupunan na ito na magkaharap para dito sa Game 2 ng Finals on the Women's Division of the Bucal Season 5. On your screen nga, nakikita natin na nagwa-warm up na dito ang NCF Lady Tigers. Kani-kanina lamang, kakatapos lang lang ng UNC Lady Greyhounds. So it means in a few minutes magsisimula na ang pinakahihintay na match-up between these two teams.
Kaya naman, Rick, sa ating mga live audience sa Oragon Sports TV at Bucal, comment down below kung sino ba ang sinusuportahan yung kupunan ngayong hapon na ito. And of course, expect the unexpected as these two teams talagang ibibigay na nila ang 100% nila. Of course, sabi nga kanina ni Hiski Flores, the team captain of the NCF Tigers, they are really sure that they will get this championship. Pero sabi nga natin, bilog ang bola, the UNC Greyhounds have the chance here to snatch a game against the NCF Tigers. Kaya kahit ako, Rick, super excited na ako sa ipapakitang performance ng NCF at UNC. Of course, we have the key players on the side of the NCF Tigers. Andyan si Vanessa Sari, the Betrayas sisters, and of course, andyan din si Pearl Brago. So these players will really showcase their skills. And of course, sa side naman ng UNC Greyhounds, andyan si Carla Martires, si Alice Zobal. We also have Destajo and Trijo, as well as Balane. Talaga namang magbibigay ng magandang laban. Their libero, Lava P, will not be joining them after that incident yesterday. But let's see what will be the adjustment on the side of the UNC Greyhounds. Ngayon, nawala yung kanilang libero na si Lava P.
Ayan, naabangan natin dito ang showdown ni Trijo versus Abitria. And syempre, si Vanessa Sari, na isang star player dito ng NCF Tigers. And of course, the battle in the middle.
Introducing our game officials for this match. Volleyball Season 5 Women's Volleyball Finals Game 2. NCF leading 1 against UNC. Our first referee is Ruben Estinor, Bucal referee. Our second referee is Jason Fernando, Bucal referee. Let us now call on the starters of the University of Nueva Caceres Lady Greyhounds. Starting off, jersey number 10, Shaina Luna. Jersey number 12, Christine Trijo. Jersey number 15, Carla Gay Martires. Wearing jersey number 9, Jermaine Balane. Jersey number 8, Sheena Arizobal. And jersey number 1, Kirsten Estao. Their starting libero is number 7, Micaela Nuestro. And coach is John Vincent Batul and assisted by Leslie Guzman. Let us now call on the defending champions of Bucal Season 4, the NCF Tigers. Number 10, Kisha Abitria. Team captain, number 18, Hiski Flores. Number 16, Lassie Abitria. Number 5, Sheena Vanessa Sari. And number 2, Edson Bravo. Number 14, Jamaica Miranda. Their libero is number 19, Rian Montesa. And number 22, Mission Keith Pontes. The coach is Maureen Rivas, assisted by Manuel Cabrera. This match is live streamed by Web Media, TV48 Naga, and Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kapatid.
Ayan, team, nakilala na nga natin. Starting 6 ng both teams. Same first 6 para dito sa dalawang kupunan.
Now, we're going to start our set number 1, NCF versus UNC Greyhounds. Now, of course, on the side of the UNC, we have Balane, Trijo, Martires, Arizobal, Luna, and they're starting libero jersey number 7. On the other side, the NCF Tigers, we have Flores, Abetria sisters, Montesa, Sari, and Brago. Now, first ball para sa UNC Greyhounds as Luna will serve the ball.
And now Luna will start this rally. First point. mapupunta sa NCF Tigers courtesy of Vanessa Sari. So kahapon, medyo tahimik sa play ng NCF Tigers si Sari, but now nakikita natin dito na siyang nakakuha ng puntos, so let's expect more of her dito sa larong ito.
Now Flores serving.
Now Luna setting up Triho. Great anticipation. Now Brago with that soft touch. And Brago will score.
Now a good start for the NCF Tigers here. 2 straight points for them. Now the UNC Greyhounds, they really need this set to start their momentum. Now Flores.
Triho will try. Too strong on that attack. So, 3 straight points para dito sa NCF Lady Tigers.
Oh, NCF Tigers. Napakaganda ng simula. Let's see.
Luna will give it to her team now. Sari will try. Nandoon ang player ng UNC Greyhounds. Triho with that soft touch. He's key. Now Pearl will try and denied at the net. So first point of UNC Greyhounds.
So with that, yun yung kailangan ngayon ng UNC Greyhounds. More on the floor defense dahil nga malakas yung atake dito ng NCF Tigers. Now, Triho to serve on the side of the Greyhounds.
At nakabawi nga si Bravo on that last play. So the wing spiker of this NCF Tigers is very much activated at this point in time. UNC Greyhounds need to loosen up and make a great connection inside the court para makakuha ng puntos, and right on cue, point will go on the side of the UNC Greyhounds.
Now, a 2-point lead coming from the NCF Tigers. Martirez now to serve.
Another one for Vanessa Sari. So nahihirapan din ngayon ng UNC Greyhounds when it comes to their defense. That's why walang magandang play na nagagawang kanilang koponan. Again, they need a connection here inside the court to produce a score at para mapantayan dito ang Tigers. Arizobal is denied at the net one more time. Great defense para dito sa NCF Lady Tigers.
So, good set number 1 for the NCF Tigers. We can really see that they really wanted to end this game, but the UNC Greyhounds needs to double their effort. Floor defense. Kailangan nila dito ngayon. Now, sa service deck. And another service ace coming from Vanessa Sari. Now, the UNC Greyhounds medyo nahihirapan pa dito to find their momentum and communication among the players. Now, Sari, 7 serving 2. Yan, another service ace coming from Sari. With that, napatawag nga ng timeout ang ating UNC Greyhounds dahil dito medyo nahihirapan yung mga players to convert a point. Of course, sa kanilang floor defense, laging nakahanapan ng butas itong ating UNC Greyhounds. While on the other side, the NCF Tigers enjoying that 6-point lead. But of course, don't be complacent dahil hindi natin